Berkeley has had more than its fair share of innovators, leaders, agitators, and envelope pushers. But only one person has ever had a city headquarters officially named in their honor, Maudelle Shirek. But let's get to know a bit about the building before we talk about her.
The building that used to be Berkeley City Hall was designed by John Blakewell and Arthur Brown Jr. after the preceding town hall was destroyed in a 1904 fire. Blakewell and Brown were educated at UC Berkeley and the École des Beaux-Arts in Paris. Near the end of the building's construction, it was decided that the new City Hall needed to be more distinguishable from the other Civic Center buildings, so the signature cupola and spire were added. Blakewell and Brown went on to design San Francisco City Hall a few years later. In 1975, Berkeley City Hall was designated a historical landmark. That brings us to Maudelle Shirek. Maudelle, the granddaughter of slaves, moved to the Bay Area in the 1940s after witnessing the lynching of a relative. Before taking office, Shirek was a senior center director for the city and an office manager at the Berkeley Consumers Co-op Credit Union. She was also a union organizer who fought for civil rights, senior rights, and HIV/AIDS awareness. After being forced into retirement from the Berkeley Senior Center at the age of 71, Maudelle ran for city council. In office, she continued to advocate strongly for the poor and underserved. Most notably, she was the first ever elected official to advocate for safe needle exchange programs. A mural dedicated to her 30 years of service was painted outside the council chambers in 2007. She was elected to 8 terms and was Berkeley's longest-serving council member when she retired in 2004. Her work earned her the moniker, the godmother of progressive politics. In 2005, U.S. Representative Barbara Lee, who had been inspired by Shirek to enter public service after hearing her speak at Oakland's Mills College, attempted to have Berkeley's post office named for Maudelle. Unfortunately, a whisper campaign implying communist ties to Shirek was led by Iowa Representative Steve King and caused Lee's efforts to fail. Determined to honor Maudelle, the Berkeley City Council voted unanimously to rename the former City Hall the Maudelle Shirek Building. Today, the building is badly in need of repair and seismic retrofitting. It is home to Berkeley Community Media and serves as an emergency shelter for the unhoused during winter months. A vision for the future is to make it the home of the Berkeley Historical Society Museum, Library, and Archive.